Hi foodies, welcome to Mellowbites Millet Magic Episode7. Today we are making a nutrient-packed Ragi Drumstick Leaves Roti, a wholesome breakfast or snack that's not just super easy, but also rich in iron, fiber and plant-based protein. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 2 cups of ragi flour, also known as finger millet. Set it aside. Now take 2 cups of fresh drumstick leaves, a powerhouse of nutrients, especially iron, calcium and vitamin A. It's chopping time and let's chop using my Borosil chopper, a quick and convenient gadget. Add 4 green chilies, a few curry leaves and 2 peeled and halved onions. Now you can close the lid and place this black gadget over the top and press. A gentle press is enough. It's done in few seconds. Look, everything is finely chopped in few seconds. You can use a knife too, but this chopper saves so much of time. Now let's heat oil in a kadai. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped onion, chili, curry leaf mix and saute it well. Add adequate salt and saute it for just 2 minutes. Once the onions turn slightly transparent, add the drumstick leaves. You have to saute these drumstick leaves until they shrink and soften. Once it's softened, it's time to add the ragi flour to the kadai and mix it for just a few seconds so that it removes the raw flavor of the flour. Turn it off immediately and transfer it into a wide bowl and let it cool. Then add just enough water and knead it into a sticky dough. Start making small balls. Grease a plastic sheet with oil and pat them gently into round rotis. Make a small hole in the center. This helps the heat reach the center and cook it well. Transfer the roti onto a hot tawa carefully. Drizzle some oil. Once the bottom is cooked, flip it. Wait for both sides to be done and serve hot. These ragi drumstick leaves rotis are packed with fiber, calcium, iron and antioxidants, and it's a perfect blend of health and flavor in every bite. Pair them with chutney or enjoy them plain. It's your choice. Either way, it's a win. Meet you in another video with another interesting recipe. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.